Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reverse audio in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first of all, we need to add a random video or a photo to our timeline. And for example, I'm just going to add this photo. And I'm going to add my audio to the timeline. Okay, and then I'm going to extend this photo like this. Oops. Okay, and after that I'm going to click on create compound clip. You can select both of the photo and the audio and right click on it. Click on create compound clip. Okay, and after that we'll be able to reverse our audio. You can click on this reverse option. I'm going to show you the original audio.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial,
this is my original audio and I'm going to reverse it. Okay, and we just need to wait until the process completed. You need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's almost done guys. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to check it. Okay, and after that you're going to extract the audio from a video. You just need to right click on it and then select extract audio. Okay, and I'm going to check it. Right, as you can hear guys that the audio has been reversed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.